passion is the normalisation of Te Reo Māori throughout Aotearoa, and Tikanga being at the forefront of how we run this country. Aotearoa Māori being the compass of how that is done. How we are best there for the best interests of each other and congruent with nature.
Remind us that we are seekers of signs.
Te awa kairangi. Kia ora. Che. Ki te perangi kia hana mai ki te romo I te reo kia kō. Tātou, kai konei, kai pōneke tātou e kai parakuhi ana. Kia ora I te whakama. Anei, te māpū o pōneke nei, kai whare waka, mātou. Tuitsa! Tuitsa! E mea kui tinei.
Talking to my daughters about what some of the words mean in some of our world famous waiata, like in Paikea, when it says E ai to ure ki te tamahine a te whiro nui, and we're working out what the actions mean, and yeah, telling them the truth. Parents, adults, stop lying to your children. Stop giving something for them to be ashamed of when it comes to their sexuality and learning who they are. Be honest, keep it real, so that they're not shocked when they actually go out into the big wide world, yeah?
Koe ma te wheke. O kia ururu atia, me he mango pare, tēnā koutou e te whānau.
If you want it, go and get it. Do something now that the future you will thank you for.